Hey everyone, today is the last day that you can get your website verified to make sure that your ads will be shown on iOS devices, Apple iOS. So see, it says iOS changes this week of April 26th. So this is this week. This is what I want you to do. You will see this pop up in Ads Manager if you're trying to advertise. So what I want you to do, if you go into business settings, so this is going to be under business manager. To access business manager, you go to business.facebook.com. This is going to open your Facebook business manager. Okay. Once you're in Facebook Business Manager, I want you to go under your business settings. So you see there's going to be this little square with the dots in there. So you go under business settings. Under business settings, you have to go down to brand safety and domain. Okay, brand safety here, and then you click this and then you'll see domain. In your domain, click under meta tag verification. This might sound like gibberish, but your programmer or whoever's handling your website, you should be able to send them an email and say, can you please add this meta tag to the ed section of the HTML of your domain? You don't even need to understand any of this. All you need to do is to kind of grab this, copy and paste it in an email to your programmer. Once they're done, so they would add that to the ed section of your email, of your domain, then they have to let you know. And then you go back into your business setting under domain, and then you click verify. Okay, and what happens is that you're going to see on my website, if I go under my business settings, you're going to see, hopefully, this is going to be working for me. So if I go into brand safety and domain, once you verify, you'll get this little sign that says your website has been verified. So you're kind of in the good books with Facebook and iOS, and hopefully you'll get more chance to have your ads seen. So if you need more information, let me know. I can send you some links to some great articles on the subject. So it's not that hard, but you have to do it, and this is your last week to do so.